FCC-required monthly test of the emergency alert system. It is being done in conjunction with a NOAA radio test of the tsunami warning system. If this were an actual tsunami warning, the National Weather Service would instantly broadcast this information via all available means to inform coastal areas of the impending hazard. This is only a test. This concludes the required monthly test of the emergency alert system.
Daughter who are never going to eat like this again.
I know, so y'all enjoy this
They're
meal.
so excited. They're like, wait, this is delicious. And all of a sudden, your nieces are
Wrong.
tweens.
This is a test of the emergency alert. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that quickly warns you during an emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. WCBS TV serves the New York metropolitan area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Official messages would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
And that would love her the way
Yes.
we love her.
Yes.